Now some of the similarities between classes and interfaces. Now these are some of the similarities where the class and interface look same. The first point is an interface is basically a kind of abstract class where all the methods are just declared. Now we can compare the interface with abstract class. Okay, in abstract class we are also having methods which contain only the declaration part. Okay, so it is possible to create a class just like interface using a abstract class. So second point is, like classes, an interface contain methods and variables. Okay, interface also contains variables and methods just like classes. Both can be inherited. Just like superclass and subclass, we have super interface and sub interface. Okay, we can inherit one interface to another interface. That is also possible. All the abstract methods must be overridden by the subclasses. In whatever the method you declared in the superclass is override in the subclass. In similar way, whatever the methods you declared in the super interface can be overridden by the sub interface. That is possible. We can create reference variables. Using interface, we cannot create an object, but we can create a reference. Using that reference, I can point to the object of any implemented class object. Okay, so that is possible. Creating a reference is possible. By using both, we can go for a dynamic polymorphism. Okay, dynamic polymorphism can be achieved in the interfaces as well as classes. I already explained this dynamic polymorphism example in your area interface, rectangle, circle as a class. Okay, I already explained that this part in the previous videos example.